Good day everyone. In this CBT, we will learn how to run a report or a program and how to view a report output. Now in the system, reports have been developed pertaining to the processes of ICAR. So reports relevant to your processes have been developed and you can take these report outputs from the system itself. So we will learn in this CBT first of all how to run a report and secondly how to view the output. Specific programs have also been developed in the system pertaining to your processes and we will also learn how to run these programs. Also note over here that the process to run a report or a program and to view a report remains the same across all the areas. So irrespective of whether you are working in projects, in purchasing or in finance, in payroll, the process, the procedure to run the report or a program in the system will remain the same. So after logging into the system, over here we have taken the example of projects. So we will see how a project related report can be run. So I am in the responsibility IASRI projects. In IASRI projects, I will only be able to view and run reports related to this area, the area of projects. But the procedure, as I have already mentioned, will remain the same. For purchasing, the relevant responsibility of purchasing will come. For finance, the relevant responsibility of finance will come, but the procedure to run the report will remain the same in purchasing, projects and finance. So click on view and then click on request. A new page will open up. To find an existing report which you ran, let's say last day or an hour back, click on find, and to run a new report, click on submit a new request. So here, as we are running a new report, we will click on submit a new request, then select single request and click on OK. Now in over here, click on this LOV button and then select the report name. So let us take an example of ICAR PME Cell Appraisal report. Let us say I have to run this report. So I will select this report and click on OK. Now these are the parameters of the report. So what is the institute name? What is the RPP1 number? The yellow field will be a mandatory parameter. So I cannot run this report without specifying for which institute I am running. And the white field will be a non-mandatory parameter. So even if I leave it blank, the report will run. But here, click on this LOV button. Let us run this report for a single RPP1 number and select this RPP1. So we are running the PME Cell Appraisal report for CBT training of projects MIS, and select this and click on OK. Again click on OK. Then click on submit button to run this report. A note comes asking you whether you wish to submit another request. As I wanted to run only one report, I will click on no. Now we come back to the screen where I can either view a report which I have run earlier or submit a new request. Now in this case, as I have just ran a report, I will click on find. And here, see, this is the report which I ran, ICAR PME Cell Appraisal report. The status is completed and normal. So this report ran successfully. To view its output, now the second step is to view a report output. We have learned how to run a report, and to view the report output, click on view output button. So as soon as I click on it, the report gets opened up in my browser. So I can view this report. I can view this report. I can store it in my system. I can save this report in my system. I can take a printout of it. So, and this is a system generated report. From the data that was captured inside the system, this report has been generated. So in this CBT, we have learned how to successfully run a report, and to run a program, the procedure remains exactly the same. And we have also learned how to view a report output. With this, the CBT comes to an end. Thank you and have a good day.